Top antiviral herbs. Echinacea. Echinacea has become one of the top-selling herbs of all time. That's because regular use of echinacea is beneficial for immune support and overall health. There is considerable evidence suggesting that phytochemicals in echinacea have the capacity to reduce virus infections and tumors. Elderberry. Elderberry has powerful immune-boosting, antiviral properties. Several studies conclude that elderberry may help to shorten the duration of cold symptoms. There's also research indicating that daily elderberry extract works to improve symptoms of the flu. Elderberry is rich in antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compounds. It also contains an immunostimulant compound called anthocyanidins. You'll have plenty of elderberry options at your local grocery or health food store. Some of the most popular forms are elderberry syrup, gummies, and juice. Garlic. Experiments have shown that garlic, or specific chemical compounds found in garlic, is highly effective at killing countless microorganisms responsible for some of the most common and rarest infections, including tuberculosis, pneumonia, thrush, and herpes. Not only is it one of the best antiviral herbs for herpes, but its properties also help to treat eye infections, and it works as a natural ear infection remedy. Some more raw garlic benefits include its ability to reduce the risk of cancer, control hypertension, boost cardiovascular health, and fight hair loss. To make a garlic oil infusion at home, crush garlic cloves and add them to a carrier oil, like olive oil. Let the mixture sit for about 5 hours and then strain the bits of garlic and keep the oil in a jar with a lid. This infusion can also be used as an antiviral herb for cold sores when used topically. You can also swallow a raw clove of garlic. You might need to cut it in half if it's too large. Bite down once to release the allicin, then swallow with water like a pill. Astragalus root. Astragalus root, another powerful antiviral herb, has been used in traditional Chinese medicine for centuries, and its main use is to boost the body's immune system. Scientific studies have shown that astragalus has antiviral properties and stimulates the immune system, suggesting that it may help remedy the common cold or flu. It's one of the most effective antiviral herbs for HSV. A 2004 study evaluated the effects of astragalus on herpes simplex virus type 1 and found that the herb has obvious inhibiting efficacy. Another study published in the Chinese Medical Sciences journal concluded that astragalus is able to inhibit the growth of Coxsackie B virus in mice. Not only does it work as a natural viral infection treatment, but astragalus also has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, and it is used on the skin for wound care. It's also one of the adaptogen herbs to lower cortisol. Reishi. Reishi mushroom is an adaptogen that helps to strengthen the body's defenses against infections. It helps to bring the body back to homeostasis and regulate immune function. Reishi contains two powerful compounds, polysaccharides and triterpenes, which are known for their ability to enhance the immune response and reduce inflammation. Studies highlight the antiviral effects of turkey tail compounds that are able to block the absorption of virus to the cells. You can easily find reishi and other medicinal mushrooms in capsule and powder forms in your local health food store. Licorice root. Licorice root is emerging as a prominent player in the search for treatment and prevention for diseases like hepatitis C, HIV, and influenza. The Chinese Journal of Virology published a review that confirms the antiviral activity of licorice root due to its triterpenoid content. Another 2010 publication notes licorice's antioxidant free radical scavenging and immunostimulating effects. Olive leaf. The olive leaf has antiviral properties, giving it the ability to treat the common cold and dangerous viruses including Candida symptoms, meningitis, pneumonia, chronic fatigue syndrome, hepatitis B, malaria, gonorrhea, and tuberculosis. It also treats dental, ear and urinary tract infections and is a natural treatment for shingles. Research shows that olive leaf extracts effectively fight against a number of disease-causing microbes including some viruses that cause influenza and other respiratory infections. The powerful compounds found in olive leaves destroy invading organisms and don't allow viruses to replicate and cause an infection. In fact, the olive leaf is so beneficial to our health that treatment with olive leaf extracts reversed many HIV-1 infection-associated changes in a study done at the New York University School of Medicine. Oregano. Oregano is a powerful antiviral agent. Medicinal-grade oregano is distilled to extract the essential oil and preserve its healing compounds. In fact, it takes over 1,000 pounds of wild oregano to produce just 1 pound of oregano oil. Oregano oil benefits are proving to be superior to some antibiotics without the harmful side effects. That's because oregano contains two powerful compounds, carvacrol and thymol, that have powerful antibacterial and antifungal properties. It's the carvacrol that reverses viral infections, as well as allergies, tumors, parasites, and disease-causing inflammation. Thanks for watching. Click the link below to order the natural antiviral supplements. Also get my free ebook. Until next time, take care. The statements expressed by this podcast are published for educational and informational purposes only and not intended as a diagnosis, treatment, or as a substitute for professional medical advice.